almost perfect on that last one, almost. Just couldn't quite get in the last part. Just make sure you answer it in a full sentence. There are 12 men and 24 women in the classroom. Okay? Now, example 2 gets a little bit harder. So take a look at example 2 with me now. Example 2 says, a truck is carrying red, yellow, and green apples. There are 3 times as many red apples as green apples in the truck. There are 500 fewer yellow apples than red ones. In total, there are 3,000 apples in the truck. How many apples of each color is the truck carrying? So again, step 1 says, do you understand all the words in the problem? Translate the ones you don't know. Now, I didn't put any words in here because I think some of you will know all the words in the problem. If you don't, pause the video now, take your dictionary, take your translator, make sure you understand all the words in the problem. Okay? Number 2 says, read the problem again and make sure you understand it. What answer do you need to find? So, we think carefully, we read it again, and we understand the problem asks you to find the number of apples of each color in the truck. Okay? So you decide what x is. What is one of the unknown values? Okay, well, what is the unknown value? Well, the first one that we see is the number of green apples, right? We see that there are 3 times as many red as green, 500 fewer apples yellow than red, so a good one to choose is the green apples. Okay, so x equals the number of green apples. Well, we still need to find 3 things in total. We found 1, we still need to find 2 more. So, if x is the number of green apples, we see in the second sentence, it says there are 3 times as many red apples as green apples. So, 3x equals the number of red apples. We also see there are 500 fewer yellow apples than red ones. Okay, so if red is 3x, and there are 500 fewer yellow, then 3x minus 500 is the number of yellow apples. Now we need to make an equation. Well, in the second to last line, we see in total there are 3,000 apples in the truck. And we're not going to finish this on the next video.